Fellow citizens of Ogun State, my name is Adewale Omoniyi, a gubernatorial aspirant under the Abundant Nigeria Renewal Party ANRP. Shortly after my birth, Ogun State was created. Successive governments have come and gone, and they've all talked about how they plan to develop Ogun State. For the 2 years after, nothing has changed. And the question is why? The answer is very simple. We have been treating the symptoms rather than addressing the root cause of our problems. Ogun State is a very special state, and the solution to our problem is contained in the word Ogun itself. And that is the reason why we have come up with what we call the OGUN strategy to build a new gateway state. O, organize, G, grow, U, unite, and N, network. All these are contained in our manifesto, which can be found on my website, www.adewaleomoniyi.com. Thank you and God bless.